found a Zubi. I found that money what tell me arrange for me now. Which I'm saying that arrange now. Which one you arrange? The arrange the 100 naira, 200, 500, the 500, the 1000. So no one you say I go check that money, never arrange them. Never go bring her yet. I won't go somewhere first before I will go change that money. I can go bank. So that I will know because this is our continent, they won't go change the money. So many things they happen, they forget those ones. The money they will change. No wahala sha. More just try change them. So that we'll see what I will feel in the future. But no change the money will come. You know that time we 20 naira been there now. Those time I come get some old 20 naira one open where they dash you make go play with your friends. No all those kind of things again. So I will let me change, me just go arrange them for me. I can't go bank today. Once something will make me I'll lose one time naira, they're very, very difficult now to get. $1 now is 700 naira. So let me just come waste my 1 time naira just like that. So, come on, try I beg Zubi. Go bring that money. I can collect something from this guy's side.
Sorry, bro, sorry, I beg.
Afana, bros.
Afana.
Yeah, again, bros.
I don't know whether you know me.
Commando. If you don't know Commando for this area, bros, you don't know Commando again.
You know, I hear what they tell your junior brother.
Okay, you want that money, ba?
They want change money.
Government leave within the important, leave flooding, leave poverty, now money they want change. December don't reach now, they want chop our money again. Like they do that time with 20 naira, 50 bucks. So they won't do it again now. Me, I just want my brother go. Bros, where they go? Bros, Commando. What happen now? You want pack?
Well, I want pack.
Shaggi said they change money. No one touch us there, bro.
Shaggi said they change money. Now government they change money.
Now government they change money now.
Now so money there. Money
9 days is back.
They say before December they go change money. Shaggi know what happened to Benue. Water flood.
Me I get family members for that side now. You want to share this money for them?
This money now, I want to go give all those people where water destroy their farm. All these Calabar side
for just them.
All these places where water calm down. All these places where water do so. I want to go share this money. They don't say all these things. They say before December they go change 1,000, 500, 200.
They won't bring people the 100 notes.
I want to ask you something. You know how much to change 1 million naira? You have to use 10 million to change 1 million naira. Where Nigeria we no get brain. I go share them.
But bros, me I get people now. I get people around where need this money.
No worry.
Commando, I follow you now. Commando.
Guys, stop there. Don't they follow me now.
This man. There is God. Oh.
Click the red subscribe button below and the post notification bell. Subscribing is totally free.